Compression is a vital tool in music mixing, used to control the dynamic range of audio signals. It helps maintain a consistent volume, prevent distortion, and enhance the overall sound quality. This video will explore the top uses of compression in music mixing and their respective settings. Balancing audio levels. Use. Compression is used to balance audio levels, ensuring all sounds are heard clearly without any part being too loud or too soft. Settings. A moderate ratio, 2:1 to 4:1, and a threshold set to the level where you want to start compressing can help achieve a balanced sound. The attack and release times should be adjusted according to the audio material. Controlling transients. Use. Compression is used to control transients, which are brief, high-energy bursts of sound that can cause distortion if not managed properly. Settings. A fast attack time, 1 to 10 milliseconds, and a moderate release time, around 100 milliseconds, can help control transients effectively. The ratio and threshold should be set according to the intensity of the transients. Enhancing sustain. Use. Compression can enhance the sustain of an instrument, making notes ring out longer. Settings. A slower attack time, 30 to 100 milliseconds, allows the initial transient to pass through before the compression kicks in, enhancing the sustain. The release time should be set long enough to affect the tail of the sound. Adding punch. Use. Compression can add punch to a mix, making certain instruments, like drums, sound more powerful. Settings. A fast attack time, 1 to 10 milliseconds, and a high ratio, 6:1 or higher, can add punch. The threshold should be set so that compression only occurs on the loudest parts of the signal. Gluing the mix together. Use. Compression can be used to glue a mix together, making all the elements sound more cohesive. Settings. Gentle compression settings are used here. A low ratio, 1.5 to or 2:1, a high threshold, and automatic or program-dependent attack and release times can help achieve a glued mix. Compression is a versatile tool in music mixing, with uses ranging from balancing audio levels to enhancing sustain, controlling transients, adding punch, and gluing the mix together. Understanding these uses and their respective settings can help you achieve a more professional sound in your mixes. Remember, while compression is powerful, it should be used judiciously. Too much compression can make a mix sound lifeless and over-processed. Happy mixing! Please leave a comment with your own tips and what you would like us to cover next. Also tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.